No, she don't want to come. Come here. Hi. So here's all the plants that we're gonna plant today. So we have these orange tulips. And then over here we have yellow. And it's, I don't know how many there are here, but it's a lot. And then we have myrtle. I don't know if we're planting that today. And then we have a some type of curly, I don't know what it's called. Let's see. A Shadowland Wee. And it's a curly hosta. It's really pretty. And then we have a dianthus. So we have about 11. Yeah, you see this is pink and that one's more white. I don't even know what the ones under the tree looks like. And then we have this like peachy pink yellowish begonia. We have these spikes. They're grasses. They're supposed to get really big, so not sure where we're gonna plant this at yet. And then we have a hosta. This is really pretty. And I think these get really big too. And we're actually gonna split this in 3. Because as you can see, it's 3 different. I know most people don't do that, but we got 3 plants. Oh. We have 5 red begonias. This is more dianthus. This is salvia. We have 3 salvia. And then those are, what are those? Phlox. They're creeping phlox. And then this is bleeding heart, and they're really, really pretty. So this is what it looks like at the store. And we got all our plants, well, majority of them from Lowe's because it's way cheaper than Home Depot. So I'm just putting it out there, way cheaper. You could find plants for like half the price. So that's exciting. Okay. So we're gonna plant over there in the corner where the trees are. We're gonna put the phlox and some tulips. Oh. I just have to save this poor baby bird because Riley was chasing it and I think she had it in its mouth. I think it's a baby bird. So look, she's around looking. She's looking for it. But we stuck it in the tree. Poor bird. I'm gonna have to put her in the house. Now we have to look for Sophie because we don't see Sophie. Oh, she's on the porch.